Welcome. Welcome to the live streaming. Hope that traders are ready for a big week coming, FOMC. This week is quite important. As you can see, this is FOMC week, and we will be looking for best trade setup possible in the market. We'll see one by one all of them. I will be waiting for everyone to show up. If you're here, just let us know that you are here so that we can begin today's analysis to see how the market might be doing. I'll be doing full multi-time frame analysis, and if there is any trade coming, definitely also we'll be looking for opening position. And in the meantime, traders, when you are here, you can let me know that you are here so that we can begin full analysis. And then also we will be looking for trading opportunity along the way. Any trade coming along the way, definitely we will be looking for it to see if we can find an entry opportunity. So I would like to see that some of the instruments such as XAE USD, we can see that gold here, you can see there was a breakdown here on gold, and after the breakdown we can see that the market made its bounce to the upside, and this is a pretty strong bounce on gold. And what we can see that here, this is the 15-minute chart on gold, and with that 15-minute chart, what we have seen, there is a pretty strong bounce followed by another bullish impulse here. And I think that as you can see, if you look at the daily chart, gold has dropped to the daily support, and from that daily support we can expect for the market to return back to the upside to create a new higher high. And closely looking at on gold, if you look at the 1 minute chart, also we can see that there was a drop and then form an inverted head and shoulder. And with the inverted head and shoulder formation, the market now trying to trend in that direction to create a new higher high. We'll see one by one how we can find a trading opportunity in this market. Traders, if you're enjoying, if you're here in this live session, give a thumbs up, guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Thank you. And let me know, traders, when you are here. We can begin the full multi-time frame analysis to see what kind of opportunity we have in all those instruments. Okay, so we will look at gold, euro dollar. If we look at the euro dollar, gold, GBPJPY, GBPUSD, quite a few instrument might give us potential trading opportunity. So don't miss out any session, any moment of this session. And also at the end of the live session, also there will be giveaway as usual, like we do every single day. Giveaway of our favorite trading strategy, liquidity candle, as well as the mentorship to the academy for lifetime. So if you want to be on that as well, don't miss out any of this, any moment of this live session. And at the end of the session, we will be announcing the giveaway. So let's see, let's see where we can find. um, we have seen that gold, as we have seen gold, we are running a trade on gold as well. If you look at the 1 minute chart, we can see that this is the 1 minute chart on gold, and in that lower time frame, we can see that there was an inverted head and shoulder, and with this inverted head and shoulder, the market managed to bounce with a pullback, and we have seen another bounce, deeper pullback, another bounce. We have seen there is a bull flag formation in that area, and with that bull flag formation, we closely look at, this is a bull flag. Okay, so with that bull flag, we have seen that the market might now revert back to the upside from that bull flag. So we'll see that how far it might be going. So this is a pretty strong long candle followed by another bullish candle, and also from the 1 minute chart, the market trend is up. So the reason I opened that position on gold is because there is an inverted head and shoulder on the daily support, and we have seen that there is a bounce from that inverted head and shoulder. So let me know, traders, when you are here. I can do in-depth analysis on everything. My class, enjoy your video. Thank you very much. Cavalier, Melvin, right here from, thank you. Good morning. Hello, sir. Good morning. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much. So can you please tell me the name of the last two indicator on your chart? Kumar, yeah. So the two indicators that you can see on my chart are these two. Yeah, okay. So that one is our liquidity candle. Okay, so probably you guys have seen the video that I posted 2 days ago about the liquidity candle. Now, if you haven't watched that video, then I would recommend you to right now to watch it. I have explained in depth about this, what it is, because this is the smart money trading secret. Okay, smart money trade based on liquidity. So if you look at the liquidity, you can see that the smart money, whenever the smart money coming in the market grab liquidity. That means that smart money volume coming in the market. So because of that, we use that liquidity candle, which is basically our own. It's not any universal thing. It's our own strategy. Personally, I use that strategy. It's nothing that you can find everywhere. So it's only unique to us. So this indicator shows me how to find potential liquidity candle. Okay, so you can see that here, this is a support. This is a trending market. So you can see a bounce, pullback, another bounce, deeper pullback. The market is forming series of higher high and higher low. So it's in an uptrending market structure. Okay, so which is basically a bullish market structure. And in that bullish market, so if you look at the 5 minutes, we can see that this is trending in the major direction on gold. Therefore, in this market, if we look at on the lower time frame as well, you can see the price dropped to the support and then bounced. So anytime if we find another opportunity, we'll be entering. This is current running trade, and I think that we might see again the price is revisiting the daily resistance line. So that might be happening, or we might see another wave of drop. So that's why I'm waiting for the price to bounce and then to go back up to the resistance line to see how the price might be doing. And absolutely appreciate your presence in this here in this channel. Don't miss out any part of this live session. We will be discussing a lot of stuff along the way. And if you also enjoying the live session, make sure guys don't hesitate to join the live session till the end. Any question, don't hesitate to ask using the live chat. Thank you. So what you can see here in the 1 minute chart on gold, we can see the price trying to drop back down here to the support level. Okay, so you can see here is an important support. So you can see there is a massive bounce here, and with that bounce, expecting to go back to the resistance. Along the way, if there is any trade, definitely we will be looking for entry. Now we can see two narrow doji formation on the 1 minute, which is also potential liquidity candle formation. Thank you. And yeah, you can see that gold 1 minute chart is trying to, we have seen there is one inverted head and shoulder in that area. So you can see this is an inverted head and shoulder. And what we can see here, this is another inverted head and shoulder. And inverted head and shoulder, back to back, two inverted head and shoulder. So therefore, after this liquidity candle, we can see the market again moving back to the upside, expecting it to go back to the TP target. And if we see that here along the way, we are looking at the 1 minute chart, any trade coming, definitely we will be looking for entry opportunity. Thank you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this live session. You are enjoying the live session. If you're enjoying, don't hesitate to smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Also, join the free Telegram channel as well for more education updates every single day. Thank you. And we see that there's a gap open. The market start to bounce back up, and we could see that now the price is going back up to the resistance, to the liquidity zone. So what you can see here, there's a gap open, and there's a gap opening on the 1 minute chart, and we're expecting it to move back to the upside to create a new higher high. So 15 minute, we can see there is a bounce here on the 15 minutes. So you see again there is a gap open. A massive bounce and waiting for the market to go back up to the resistance line. So the 1 minute chart, and we can see that there is a quite a few narrow candle formation, wanting to see one more bounce, or it may revert from here. And also we will be looking for how the market might be doing to see how the price is acting here. So you can see here again, it's trying to form a bullish pattern. So we are already on a trade. This is previously, but we might look for further opportunity. Just I would like to see that where the market is heading. If we look at in that area, this is a 1 hour chart. If we look at here, a resistance line, 1 minute chart, we can see that there is a narrow doji, which is basically trying to form a bullish liquidity candle. But still, if we enter, there will be few people only. I'll be waiting for a complete structure formation, and then we can look for potential entry opportunity. We'll see how far it might be going. So expecting, you can see there is a primary rejection. We might see some short-term downside here. So we are up 32 pip in this trade. This is on the VIP, and I will be holding it because what I think that we might see now, potential drop and then expecting another bounce. So let's draw a couple of supports level that is important for this market at the moment. So what we can see here, doji, two important doji formation on the 1 minute chart, and I will be waiting for a deeper liquidity grab. Let's see also the euro dollar. Now euro dollar forming another price action confirmation here. Look at the 1 minute. We can see that let's see how the euro dollar is doing from the 4 hour. We can see that it is in a bullish momentum from the daily. So far significant bullish move on euro dollar from the 4 hour as well. We can see that there is a bullish momentum, and if we look at the 1 hour chart on euro dollar also, we can see that there is a rejection in that area. So therefore on euro USD, we could see that eventually the market is bouncing back to the upside. So 15 minutes chart and 5 minutes, there is a liquidity. You can see there is a false breakdown, and then there is a liquidity grab in that area. So 1 minute chart also showing that significantly bullish market structure. So euro dollar also showing bullish. If we look at the Gbpusd, we can see that on GJ, this is if you closely look at it, you can see this is also pretty strongly bull market on GJ. From the 4 hour also there is a bounce on Gbpusd. We can see a pretty strong movement followed by pullback here. So Gbpusd, we can see also bounce and pullback. Now let's quickly look at again on gold to see how much it is, how far it is moving. You guys with me? Let me know if you have any question. How was your weekend and what's your current situation? Good evening. Thank you. Sometimes it's so weather is so fuzzy that my speech sometimes stops. Good evening, sir. I was waiting to hear from you. How are you? I'm good. Thank you very much. As a beginner, I learn from you and your channel. How can I learn from? How can I learn from you? Deepa Sharkar. Good evening, sir. I was waiting to hear from you. How are you? I'm good. Thank you very much. As a beginner, I learn from you and your channel. How can I learn from you? Okay. Thanks for your appreciation. Absolutely. To learn, I think that first thing that we need to look at is that we also need to learn to from ourselves as well. So if you look at, everyone has, first we also have knowledge within us that we need to learn from. So learning is a shared experience. Definitely stay with the live channel, live session, as well as with the channel. And yeah, we learn from each other. So if you stay long enough in the live session, you will be automatically learning. And if you want to also speed up, pay more attention. Attention is the key, as you know that where the attention goes, energy flows. So if you pay more and more attention, you started to learn faster. Thank you. And absolutely any question, don't hesitate to ask more and more question. As you know that intellectual curiosity, be more and more curious so that you can learn more and more. And that's the key to become a consistently profitable trader. Hi sir, good evening. Your master in trading world. One cut. Welcome. Still a lot to learn. Um, there is a famous quote saying that the more you learn, the less you will understand. So yeah, the more you learn, the more you'll discover how much you don't know. So if I lifetime member your academy, can I get liquidity candle strategy one free? Delmit. So far, yes, it's in a very high demand at the moment. Liquidity candle strategy. We, this is the best strategy I have ever used in the whole career that we develop, and still it's advancing more and more. So if you are joining the lifetime access this week, you can get access to the liquidity candle for free with the mentorship. But it might change. So if you really want to access the liquidity candle right now today, you can find link below this video in the description. Visit the website and then click join now button. You will be able to join, get access to. Once you join, you can find all the information on your email to get access to the liquidity candle as well as the strategy. Good day. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. I was not able to find TF indicator. Kumar, if you don't find TF indicator, currently we are using the liquidity candle indicator. You can give a post on the chat how you can get access. You will get the information. Where can you open trade? So you're waiting for a potential entry. So as soon as we will find entry, we will be looking to enter. Let me Sir Gbpusd. Welcome. Thank you. Still waiting, coach. Sir, what made you not quit trading? Sir, what made you not quit trading the financial markets? That's a very good question. What made me not quit trading is because this is what I love. So if you love something, you don't quit, right? Because everything has a step to attain. So if you want to excel in something, if you want to gain something, it will come as a challenge, and you need to go through a lot of trial and error and setback, and then but over time you're gonna make it, right? So that's the law of the universe, like that. Because the universe will not give you what you want, but will give you for who you are. This is the biggest secret that you can learn. So most of us, we want. So wanting come from the place of lack. But if you become who you are, so if you ask anything to the universe, then the universe will not give you, but will make you ready for that things that you're wanting for yourself. But by making who you are worthy of the things that you are wanting. So similarly, if you want to be a trader, there will be some kind of challenges will come for you to learn and grow as a trader. And so the most important part here is to have proper education, and then keep learning, keep growing, keep adding, increase your knowledge, and over time you're gonna make it. Let me know if you have any question. Did you miss the entry, or do we still wait for the entry? we are waiting for the entry. There is one entry that we have traded on the VIP early today. We had 3 trades early today. 2 didn't work out. This one, I'm waiting for the market to bounce back up, and let's see how far it might be going, and then we can look for entry. We'll see that. Trade is open. Thank you. Voice is very low. Shouldn't be. Is voice low? Hello. Thank you very much. I need idea on Euro USD. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. And also in the meantime, traders, join the free Telegram channel, where also you will be able to get access to more education. I do share some of my ideas in the free Telegram channel as well, so you can find link below this video. One day I will win liquidity candle. I'm almost clocking a month on your channel, Collins. Yeah, absolutely. If you stay dedicated, it's there for you. So make sure you stick till the end, guys and girls, to join the competition of the liquidity candle that will be on giveaway at the end of the session. So from all of you will be choose one lucky winner to get win the liquidity candle as well as the lifetime access to the academy with all the courses and education and everything. Thank you very much. Sasa, thank you. What platform are you using? You can see all the information. You can see at the top, and also you can find all the links below this video in the description area. So if you're missing any point, you can find link below this video in the description area. Thank you. So from the 1 minute, we can see that there is a bounce here, and expecting it to bounce back up to the resistance where there is a liquidity. So you can see here, this is a series of higher low formation in that area. Quite a few long wick candles in that zone. So we'll be waiting for suitable entry opportunity. And in the meantime, traders, if you haven't smashed the like button yet, you can do so. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Stay tuned. I'll take 1 minute break, coming back, and let me know if you have any question in the meantime. what we can see in this area. Hello traders, welcome back. So you can see gold from that level again has got another bounce towards the upside, and with this bounce, what we can see from here, pretty strong bounce. And if we look at the 1 minute chart, the market structure is bullish from here, so we can see it's maintaining that uptrending market structure. I would like to leave it there for bounce. Now looking at the 1 hour chart, now looking at the 1 hour on euro dollar, also we'll be looking at Gbpusd to see how the market might be doing on GJ. Like if you look at the here, what we can see that on the daily, if we look at first of all monthly on GJ to see how Gbpusd is doing, we can see that from the monthly, this is a very strong bullish market structure on Gbpusd. If we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is a also from the weekly narrow doji. If we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily, this is also narrow doji formation. Now from the 4 hour, what we can see that this is also, there is a doji from the 4 hour, and we can see here a long wick candle. Now from the lower time frame, if we look at the 15-minute chart, we can see that from the 15 minutes, this is a pretty strong bounce on GJ, and the market currently, we see that there is a bull flag formation in this area on Gbpusd from the 15 minutes. Looking at the daily, long-term picture on GJ, it's a long-term bearish market. So you can see here a very strong bounce. We can see here consolidation pattern, and on GJ we might see that a breakdown here potentially. Gbpusd, I'll be waiting a little more time to see where we can find. We look at the euro dollar, we can see that this market is trending very aggressively. We can see there is a bullish candle, and here is a, what we can see here, a weakless candle on 1 hour chart on euro dollar. Okay, so you can see gold again coming for deeper pullback. Okay, traders, we can see that the market slowly coming a little in a sideway on gold. If we look at the, you can see this is the 4 hour on euro dollar. From the 1 hour, there is a bullish engulfer, and if we look at the 15-minute chart as well, we can see that there is a break of structure and the market started to bounce back up. Okay, so we can see that there is a pretty strong bounce on euro dollar, and the trend is up in that area. So if you look at the 1 minute chart, also gold from the 1 minute, currently a little bit in a side. We will be looking also the calendar, looking at the Forex factory calendar, so to see where things are heading. So if we look at the calendar on coming up Tuesday, dollar and CAD, so core retail sales and retail sales, dollar and CAD news coming, and you can see CPI, median CPI, trim CPI, core retail sales coming up tomorrow. Very important news on dollar and CAD. So we also could see potential opportunity on dollar CAD. I will also be doing the full analysis on dollar CAD to see how the price is evolving with dollar CAD. So looking at the monthly chart on dollar CAD, we can see that from the monthly, this is the monthly, there was a monthly rejection here, a very strong bearish engulfer on the monthly, followed by this month. So we can see that the price had a unusual rejection from this support. And if we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly on dollar CAD there is a bounce followed by another candle that has a long wick at the top with a narrow body on dollar CAD. And if we look at the daily chart, we can see that from the daily, this is the daily impulse followed by pullback and two narrow doji formation on dollar CAD. We can expect for the dollar CAD to come back down further to this support level. And if we look at the 15 minutes time frame on dollar CAD, we can see that from the 15 minutes okay, so this is an important support on dollar CAD. Support here, support here, support here, support here, support here. If we see the dollar, because this is a very strong support on the 15 minutes, if it drops to the support or below the support, we can look for entry opportunity. I think if it breaks the structure, where we can look for potential entry opportunity. Okay, looking at gold again to see. There's another support here. Here we can see there is a long wick candle followed by a narrow candle formation, which might give gold to bounce back up to create a new higher high. Okay. So to find an entry, we need to wait. Still, I'm waiting to see if there is any entry. We have already one running trade on gold, and in the meantime, traders, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so. I do post a lot of educational content every single day. So also there is a lot of educational content that you can find every day I'm posting in the channel. So don't miss out to subscribe, and also press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. I would appreciate if you take the like to 50. Okay guys, so you can see a little bit in a sideways movement on gold on the 1 minute. And if we look at the 4 hour on euro dollar, we can see that also a very strong bullish market structure on euro dollar. There is a bullish also liquidity candle here on euro dollar. If we look at yeah, this is a liquidity candle. We can see that after that liquidity candle, in fact, the market has made its move towards the upside on euro dollar. You can see from here, this is a very strong liquidity candle, and after the liquidity candle formation, we saw the market started to bounce. And as with the progression of the NY session, what I think that euro dollar may remain bullish to the upside. From the 5 minutes, we can see that there is also another bullish price action is being created. So looking at the 1 minute, if we can find any opportunity on euro dollar. So looking at euro dollar, we can see that creating series of higher low in that area. Let's see if there is any opportunity for us on euro dollar. We can see euro dollar is pretty strongly bullish. So euro USD, if we look at, So we can see that euro dollar trying to create a momentum here along with gold. Also gold has got another rejection from the 1 minute. So looking at euro dollar and gold, I will be looking to see if there is an opportunity on gold to see. So you can see again another drop almost near to the support level. So euro dollar is bouncing back to the upside. So with euro dollar, I'm just checking the risk reward, guys. Okay, so we'll be placing a buy stop on euro dollar in this level 1.1122. So we'll be placing a buy stop at 1.1129, stop loss 1.1123, TP target at 1.1140. We might close along the way if we see enough confirmation, but we see that there is a resistance coming, and we'll see how far we can take it. We placed around 7 pip stop loss. So euro dollar, I have placed a buy stop above this level at 1.1129. If we see that enough confirmation, that we can look for potential entry. So if you look at the gold here, what we can see, let's see how far it goes. And this is 1.1129 level. That's buy stop. So if we see that crossing here, we will be triggering that trade. So as with the progression of NY session, expecting euro dollar to have a bounce. Okay, we can see that from 1 minute there is also forming potential liquidity candle on euro dollar, so that could propel that price to the upside. We'll see how far it is going. I hope that the bias is not so low. If you guys have any question, let me know. Thanks for joining the live session. Enjoying the live session. Welcome. Thank you. You're new using Vantage, sir. You are now using Vantage. Yes, yeah, you can anyone want to sign up, you can find link below this video. Are you in trade with? Thank you. Good afternoon. Can you please turn volume on mic build higher? So I hope that you guys can hear me. It was just turned the other way. From Bangladesh, thank you very much. Gold is going down now. Yeah, thank you. Any entry? Yeah, welcome. As experienced trader, I would like to hear from you about when and how much correction can be expected for which instrument. Lakshmikant, as an experienced trader, I would like to hear from you about how, when, and how much correction can be expected for in gold. Or so yeah, we are on a trade on euro dollar. Thank you very much. Welcome, Patrick. So which instrument you are looking for, talking about the correction. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't miss out to subscribe to the channel. So we are on a trade on euro dollar, so we'll be waiting to see how far it is going. Thank you. So euro dollar, expecting it to trend in the direction. The trade is active now on euro USD, wanting to see that it's bouncing back to the upside. What happened? Why there is a sudden drop? That's weird. So with the session open, I think expecting it to remain bullish again. This kind of drop is sometimes sign of false breakdown, so I'm still expecting it to trend it to the upside. Okay, yeah, we can expect a potential bounce. Okay, we can see that it's moving back to the upside, which is good for us. Okay, euro dollar, back to back another liquidity candle formation. So we can see the two liquidity candle, both of them in fact we can see here working out. Guys, if you are not sure about what is liquidity candle, don't miss out. This is one of my best trading strategy that I am trading every single day, this liquidity candle. And with that liquidity candle, if you guys and girls are not sure what is that liquidity candle, then don't miss out to stick till the end. And also, if you want to know it more, learn the strategy that I am trading using that liquidity candle, then traders, don't miss out also to join us today. The link below this video in the description. Well, you can find the link below this video in the description to learn and grow as a trader with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where also you can get access to the liquidity candle from me, from my personal trading strategy. So any question, don't hesitate to ask. Aiza is there on the live chat. You can ask her any question that you have. So you can see that back to back two important, there's one here, there's one here, back to back two important liquidity candle. You can see that another liquidity candle here as well. Thank you. Welcome, welcome. And wanting to see that it's bouncing back to the upside. Okay, it's again another potential drop, so expecting it to still remain bullish. So we see that how far it might go. We need to catch some peep because it's not as volatile as gold. Come on. So this is a massive this drop was not a good idea, but expecting this still to remain bullish. And we saw that rejection from the top. That rejection was unexpected. That's very unusual. Breakdown. Stop loss hit. It just has bounced again and then returned back. So didn't work out euro dollars. So we have minus how many pip here? 7 pip. So your euro dollar didn't work out. So we are down 7 pip on euro dollar. I'll see if there is any other opportunity. Okay, gold has got also rejection from the top. Looks like we might see a short-term change of trend on gold. Let's see if we have any opportunity on gold. We might see potential rejection on gold. Okay, yeah, so we might see potential rejection on gold. There is a this is the 15 minutes price action, which is forming a doji with a gap open. 25 pip here. We might see a short-term downside on gold, potentially, not guaranteed. Anything can happen in trading, guys, so make sure that you always do proper risk management if you're opening any position. I will be selling short on gold from this level by market, stop loss above this high, and there might be around how many pip? There might be around 31 pip stop loss on gold, and I'll be targeting here a bit bigger because if it drops we might see downside on gold. So 32 pip stop loss on gold, and with that 32 pip stop loss I'll be selling by market. We can, if it work out, then we will be covering the euro dollar. It's important that guys always do the risk management. Without risk management, please don't open any trade, or I would highly appreciate if you open in a demo account for learning purpose. So you can see that here we are running euro dollar. We are opening euro dollars. It's a buy market trade, buy market, sell by market, euro dollar trade. Pardon me, gold. So we might see, if it drops, then we might see that directly coming back down. So this 15 minutes candle, that expecting it to form as a doji. If it is forming a doji, a red doji at least, then we can expect a downside here on gold. So I'm short on gold here. Okay, I'm sell on gold with in this trade around 32 pip to 31 pip stop loss. So let's see where it is heading. So I'm short on gold with buy market and expecting this candle to close as a red candle, which will be another potential liquidity candle if it drops, because also forming that yet not fully developed, but we might see. And here if we look at the 1 minute also, if it trends in the direction, then we will be fully on the trade. And I have a bit ambitious TP target because there is a news coming tomorrow. This might lead gold to be very volatile. Are you guys with me? Gold, yeah, thank you very much. If you guys enjoying that live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content. So you see that downside on gold on the 15 minutes, the candle is bearish. We'll see how far it might be going. Okay, here we see that doji formation. Now this doji, if you closely look at what we can see, very narrow doji, expecting downside. I think we might see that downside movement potentially. expecting it to drop back down, holding the position for potential drop. We're waiting here for, this is the 15 minutes. Dodgy formation, and okay, expecting it to break below. If you want to see a trend continuation, we see that there is a liquidity candle formation. It's happening with the euro dollar, and yes, let's hold our gold trade, because what I think that if the market managed to break the support, we might see the price ultimately could drop back below this order block. So would like to see potential downside after a pullback here. Okay, now from here, wanting to see that break below. Okay, we can see that breakdown in that area. Now 15 minutes price action on gold, what we see with this dodgy formation, And that doji, if it is remaining bearish, then we might see that a complete break below the support level. I don't want to see that bounce from here, as expecting it to break below. Okay, so this is the 1 minute, and let's see if it is forming a liquidity candle. You might see that ultimately the market breaking below that support level. If you're enjoying, guys, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Okay, we see downside momentum, which is good for us to see. Okay, the potential 15 minutes rejection, holding it, guys. Let's hold it. Let's hold it for some big peep here, possible. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Thank you. And this is what I didn't want it. We need rejection in the direction. The price managed to bounce again, so that's not what we expected, but at the moment let's see how far it is going. um, okay, again it has come back down. Let's see if it is a rejection or correction. Let's find out. So the price action not very impressively bearish. So we might need to wait for the price to come to the entry. Come on today. Not a very good price action, but expecting it to reject again. So we might see, if it reject to the entry, we might be out with break even. I think we might see a rejection again. Now this is the last opportunity we have to see the market again dropping down or no. There is a very unusual bounce. Early today, not a very suitable day for the two trades, but still. Okay, now still we can expect for a rejection. Still I see that potential bullish price action, but um, okay, candle closed and not a good day for trading today. So we got that one stop loss 32 pip. So gold managed to bounce again, and probably we'll see again another bounce on gold, and we have to let that go. Tomorrow coming to important news. If we look at the Forex factory calendar, we can see that here on Forex factory coming dollar and CAD news tomorrow. So we will be trading both of that, dollar CAD as well as XAU USD. But the market here, we might see later potential drop, but we see that it has got a rejection now. It may continue. It might be a deeper liquidity grab and then continuation. But yeah, today we have to let this trade go, and we will be coming with new trading opportunity onward. And in the meantime, we are almost at the end of the session. We'll be going to the giveaway section with the keyword the same as we discussed with the liquidity. You can write down liquidity on the live chat to enter into the competition. Thank you. So if you write, you will be entering into the competition for the giveaway for the liquidity candle. So you can write liquidity in the live chat to enter into the competition of the liquidity candle. So anyone writing, you will be entering into the competition. Thank you. We see 14 eligible members in the competition. Twenty eligible members in the competition. You can write down. welcome, welcome. You can write down the chat liquidity on the chat to be entering into the competition. Let me know, guys, if you are here. Thanks for participating in the competition. So we got 25 eligible members to join the liquidity candle. So you can see, come on, what did I do? So we need to re-enter. Come on, guys. So we, for those who have already written, you can write again. So we see some something disruption happened. So liquidity. So you can write that liquidity. Thanks for writing that liquidity because of the little bit of distraction. We lost some of the early entries, so you can re-enter. So you can write down that liquidity. Even if you entered before, you can write it again to enter into the competition. Thank you. We are almost 18 eligible members. Soon we will be rolling it up. So we're going to roll the liquidity candle. We see that Mickey Man is the winner for today's liquidity candle. Mickey Man, congratulations for joining the academy along with the winning the liquidity candle. To claim your liquidity candle, you can visit the website link below this video and use the contact us page to send message, and your email address will send straight back to your email today's winner for the liquidity candle. And yeah, traders, first day of trading week, we will be looking to see tomorrow quite a few high impact news coming, and we will be looking to enter better trading opportunity in the upcoming session and days. With that being said, thank you very much for joining today in this academy. I'll see you again trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.